Even if the belt don't fasten, thank God I survived that crashing. But dummy, your luggage in the baggage claim. And your girl think I'm packing, call it baggage claim. And I'ma bag the game and I'ma bag your main. Big ups to all the niggas that went from rags to fame. I'm admired with all this Dior attire. Glory just took me so much higher. How the fuck y'all working when y'all just got fired? And I'm about to inquire what the game's been hiding or what it's been missing. If y'all Jordan, then I guess I'm pimpin'. Either way, I know you little fucks gon' listen. Rollie on my wrist, so you know it's gon' glisten. From diamonds to rubies, I buy everything cause of that ass and those boobies. You know it's me and her, so you might as well cool me. Buy a couture and so much more. Now her wrist ain't the only thing that's gon' be juicy. So go ahead and shoot me. Salute me.
Yeah. Can I get my name in? Soon as I started spitting, they all clapped. In the moment of silence, the encore from oh so inspiring. So I'ma spit my soul and real shit through the wire. Black bitches and white women want to get on. They love you and hate you when you get on. So I'ma piss and shit on any track that I get on. A young king want the fucking crown in the kingdom. The shit is so random. Everybody say they fly, I'm so higher. Jeremy Scott wins, you niggas can't see me. You pigeons can't reach me. They all blind to the fast like they fucking Stevie. On the road to riches, gold mines for the glory. Alexander McQueen, living the American dream. A black male with high self-esteem. You wanna rap and then they kill your dream. It costs to be an all-star, you gotta pay for the team. Just another black nigga with a fucking story. And this black elite bitch, I did it for the glory. I say another black nigga with a fucking story. And this black elite bitch, I did it for the glory. Yeah.